Most of us know that we all share a responsibility for preventing sexual harassment and harassment in the workplace. But one of the challenges we face on a day-to-day basis is recognizing it.
Ooh, Rick, that's nice. Is that new?
Yeah, you guys like it?
Don't take it personally, man. It's just that time of the month.
We bet Hal over there $20 says that you're not really the blonde.
Before we go any farther, let's take a minute to review the definition of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is defined as unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, and any other verbal or physical conduct of a sexual nature when submission to or rejection of such conduct is used as the basis for employment decisions, or such conduct